Today, we're taking a look at the Endgame Gear KB65HE, a 65% hot-swappable keyboard that stands out for its adjustable Hall effect switches, offering a unique level of customization to your typing and gaming experience. Design-wise, the KB65HE sports a sleek, all-black aesthetic. Its full CNC milled aluminum body feels premium and sturdy, weighing in at just over 1 kilogram. The keyboard has a wedge-shaped design, providing a comfortable typing angle, although some may prefer a slightly higher elevation. The included set of Ducky PBT keycaps further enhances the typing experience, offering a smooth and satisfying feel under your fingers. However, it's worth noting that the additional function assignments for each key aren't printed on the keycaps, which can be a minor inconvenience. The real star of this keyboard, though, are the Gatron KS37B Hall effect switches. These magnetic switches offer an incredibly unique feature: customizable actuation points as low as 0.1 millimeters. This means you can fine-tune the sensitivity of your keyboard, making it lightning fast for gaming or more precise for typing, or anywhere in between. The keyboard is wired only, and it lacks dedicated media controls, but the trade-off is the exceptional level of customization offered by those switches. In-game performance with the KB65HE is exceptional. Being able to adjust the actuation point gives you an edge in fast-paced games like Apex Legends, where quick reflexes and inputs can make all the difference. At the same time, you can easily adjust the travel distance for a more tactile and deliberate feel in slower-paced games, ensuring precise and controlled inputs. The Endgame Gear KB65HE is an impressive 65% keyboard that offers a level of customization rarely seen in the market. While it may not be the most portable option due to its weight and wired connection, the build quality, luxurious keycaps, and those incredible adjustable switches make it a top contender for anyone seeking a high-performance, customizable keyboard in a compact 65% form factor.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.